environments.
This is Supraja. So this is an awareness video about the plastic pollution, the plastic which affects the human health. So do you know guys what plastic contains? The plastic contains very harmful chemicals like BPA and formaldehyde leading to the cancer and other diseases also like respiratory issues and hormone imbalance. So the nature has given so much to us, like clear air, water, and a beautiful world to live in. But what we are giving to the nature, filling the oceans with the plastic and affecting and harming the marine life. Did you know that 8 million tons of plastic waste enters our oceans? And the worst part is, a plastic bottle takes 450 years to degrade, and a plastic bag takes 10 to 20 years. It's time to take our responsibility of our actions. Nature's beauty is a gift. Let's not write it in a text. Let's share it.